everyone, my name is Shayeste Bazesafidpar. I'm a specialist in computational chemistry and recently collaborating with University Hospital Santiago de Compostela. And my research focuses on atomistic molecular dynamics simulation for designing new biological drugs like peptide. Today in this podcast, I would like to talk about the importance and role of artificial intelligence in modern drug discovery. The integration of artificial intelligence with computational modeling has transformed completely drug discovery from earliest stage of target identification to compound optimization, and is helping scientists to explore possibilities that it was unimaginable just decades ago. But today, by combining artificial intelligence with the science like chemistry and biology, we can have this chance to have better understanding of the structure, behavior, and the interaction of molecules, biomolecules together, and also in our body. And also, it's helping us to have better understanding of the concept like pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic of these molecules, that are very important for us for designing new drugs that are more effective and safer in our body. If I want to highlight the importance of artificial intelligence in this area, I can mention a recent Nobel Prize in chemistry awarded for computational protein design and structure prediction, that has made revolution about understanding on how protein amino acid sequences is related to three-dimensional structure. This concept, its understanding is very important for us because it's helping us to design new protein, new biological drugs with novel functions. Two of most powerful tools in this area that has developed are AlphaFold, developed by DeepMind, and also RosettaFold, developed by Washington University. That both these two powerful tools are using advanced neural network deep learning model to design and predict the new protein, new biological drugs with novel function based on amino acid sequences of proteins and also three-dimensional structure. But why artificial intelligence is essential in this area, in this field? It's because biomolecular systems are naturally complex, and for designing a new protein, new biological drugs, we have to consider thousands of interconnected factors together, and that is complex. But from biological activity, target specificity, toxicity, and structural ability. But in this point, artificial intelligence will help us to analyze large-scale biological data set to identify meaningful pattern among them and to simulate molecular interaction. So all of them is helping us to design more effective, safer, in a less time and lower cost new protein, new drugs with novel functions. Therefore, artificial intelligence is not just only like a tool for us, but it's like a central engine that driving innovation in pharmaceutical industry and modern drug discovery. Thank you very much.